at the beauty. काफी ज़्यादा fog. Drive is already so pretty. And we are at almost 6,500 feet elevation. This is our view down the hill. Oh my god! We did it! Just look at the beauty. I'm coming for you, mountain. Wow, so excited. Okay, so we left pretty early, like before 7, and अभी तो फिलहाल काफी fog है यहाँ पे, but the forecast says it's gonna be clear. तो yeah, I hope सब clear हो जाएगा. More fog, काफी ज़्यादा fog. Careful, careful. Good morning. We are on our way to Mount Rainier and breakfast के लिए रुके हैं अभी. We passed by this town, like a small town here called Enumclaw, and yeah, we're gonna grab coffee. We're gonna get some food for our trek. The drive is already so pretty, and we saw sunrise and wow, it was lovely. Oh, another thing, we slept for like 1, 2, 5, approximately 4 hours. We slept for only 4 hours or so, but we woke up so fresh and so excited for the trip. So we stopped at this place called Express Yourself, and काफी कुछ खाना उठा लिया, like for the hike, and also because we need energy. नींद नहीं पूरी हुई है and all. So yeah, I have my coffee and I'll show you the view. The drive is so pretty. So we officially entered Mount Rainier National Park area. Abhi tak we were in, oh no, I forgot, some national forest area. But yeah, oh my god, do you see that patch? It's I can see like there's this patch जिसमें नीचे it's like grass या ऐसा कुछ. It's all fall colors. That's so pretty. So we took our first pit stop, and yeah, it's like we are in the middle of a forest and it's really cold. So like you can see, you don't get like sun here. There's no sun, so it's like really cool. First proper view. This is so pretty. And do you see the fall colors, like all the red color? beautiful. Oh my god. So there is a traffic signal. We are this high, like this is our elevation. हम इतना पास पहुंच चुके हैं पहाड़ों के. And they put a traffic signal here. Interesting. Yeah, so apparently there's construction going on here. So they're just letting one lane pass by. That was the other traffic light. Oh. Oh my god! Just look at the beauty. Wow. So we just started the trail and the steepness is insane. It's a lot. You start the Skyline Trail and there are two directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you do it clockwise, it is steep at the start. The elevation gain is a lot, but the views are totally worth it. The view. So we just crossed a fork where you get Glacier Vista and Skyline. Glacier to your left and Skyline Trail to your right. So we took the left trail to Glacier Vista and then we're going to continue to Skyline from there. One important thing, you have to preserve the meadows. Stay on the paved path and preserve the meadows. Getting closer to the glacial waterfall viewpoint, and we are at almost 6,500 feet elevation, and we have gained approximately 900 feet elevation. So apparently this viewpoint is supposed to show you a waterfall. We were standing here. I just could not see one, but it has like a thundering sound, honestly. You might not be able to hear it right now, and you can see water running down the hill. So I'll help you see where it is. That's the phone. I don't know if you can see rainbow colors, but it has rainbow colors as well. So pretty. And then that is where the water flows down. So you move from Glacial Vista Point to the Panorama Point and you get a view. Wait for it. Wait for it. There. I am not sure what summit that is, but I know you can see Portland from here as well. I'll confirm for you. We spotted our first mountain goat. See it? It's right there. It's a little far away, but yeah. We also saw some ice. These beautiful, beautiful fall colors. So pretty. And we did it. Our view down the hill. It's just pretty all the way.